Oh, hi, I'm Shannon with Austin Irrigation Specialists. We are here on a job that we just started today. This system's kind of unique in the sense that it's going to be 100% drip irrigation. There's going to be also a key difference in the sense that our water source is going to be these two tanks. So we're going to have, they've already got plumbed in off the roof, pipes that feed into these two tanks. And then if the tanks and when the tanks begin to go dry or empty, they'll automatically fill up from the city water supply, so that this will be the source all the time. And so, as far as the sprinkler system is concerned, we're going to hook up our main line to the exit side of this tank. So right around the corner. This ball valve right here is where all the water from both tanks will exit this one spot. So we're going to connect it to this line here. This line will run back around the corner to our pump. From the pump, it will feed our main line. So our sprinkler system will be operated from these tanks and that pump. So beyond that, everything works just as a normal system would. We've got our main components. We'll have backflow prevention, isolation valve, main line, drip irrigation valves, both for grass and for plants. So if we want, we can walk around and have a look at the main line. We'll see some wires inside the trench. All the wires are going to go from the controller to the valves. And these are direct burial wires, so it's totally kosher and common. It's standard operating practice to put these wires directly in the trench, and we just cover them up. These will be flower beds that will feed with drip irrigation. This will be where another set of valves go. So we'll have two valves here that operate this grass area.